This is the newly released RedMagic 11 Pro Plus Transparent Dark Night Edition. Unboxing begins with the accessories box, manual, and matte phone case. At first glance, it looks incredibly sci-fi. The 120-watt USB-C charger and dual USB-C charging cables are included. First, the exterior is captivating. The visible water cooling ring not only dissipates heat quickly, but also creates a fluid, futuristic aesthetic. It uses the same fluorine-based insulation and freeze-resistant liquid found in air server cases, ensuring reliability from minus 60 degrees Celsius to 180 degrees Celsius. It's also upgraded with 80-watt wireless charging, allowing for on-the-go charging and even charging watches and earphones. The integrated wireless charging and semiconductor cooling heatsink provides both cooling and power. The back cover is crafted from a single piece of glass and even features an oleophobic coating. It feels great in the hand with no protrusions and a perfectly balanced feel, unlike the large protrusions found on other phones, making it even suitable for tempered glass. A brushed metal air duct runs through the back, and the new RGB fan, capable of speeds up to 24,000 revolutions per minute, delivers powerful airflow and easily dissipates heat from the motherboard. The entire device is IPX8 waterproof, making it waterproof and reliable. The RGB logo is located in the center of the NFC, along with the triple camera design. An infrared remote control is located in the center of the flashlight, making it convenient for controlling the air conditioner and TV. Overall, the back cover is truly unique and personalized. The rounded corners of the metal frame are not harsh, and the overall feel is perfectly square. The top microphone features a 36mm exotic technology, while the right-hand dual RGB touch keys are larger and offer a better feel. The air vent, volume, and power buttons feature a multifunction sliding competitive key, which can be set to flashlight, sound mode, and game space. There's also a microphone for better sound pickup when gaming in the horizontal position. The bottom speaker and dual microphones feature a multifunction Type-C design, allowing for external monitor connection and console mode gaming. There's also a dual SIM card slot. The air intake and RGB label on the left side create a vibrant RGB atmosphere. It's all about style. Even with new features like wireless water cooling and a large battery, the RedMagic IS237 weighs about the same as the 17 Pro Max, and the flat back panel feels consistent on both sides. Long gaming sessions are effortless. The next generation ultrasonic fingerprint sensor unlocks quickly with both wet and dry hands. The touchscreen also boasts a new Quad IC 3000 Hz touch rate. The touchscreen is just as sensitive with wet hands, eliminating the need for sweat, making gaming more comfortable and efficient. The back of the phone has a 2.0-inch matte screen, no notch, and a 95.1% screen-to-body ratio. The screen's luminous material is 6.85 inches, 1.5K at 144 Hz, and supports SDS Blue Silver Disc Streaming Light, flicker-free eye protection certification. Everything you see is screen, and it's simply amazing. The 1115K quad speaker DTS sound system delivers excellent sound quality. The main camera and ultra-wide-angle lens deliver detail comparable to current flagship photography devices. The Pi Table Pros boasts a wealth of features, including document recognition, AI vision, and fitness photography. The macro lens is also perfect for close-up shots, and the underscreen front camera is also excellent. So I'm in road and stretched out right hand, took a photo, then turned the direction, raised the brightness a little towards the group, took the second shot, and got an abstract picture. This function of generating a photo by shooting two different scenes is called the photo function. Open its camera family panel, which integrates a rich set of photo functions such as shooting the Milky Way starry sky, the trajectory of the star's movement, light painting photography, recording the path of light, and time-lapse photography to make slow motion pictures even more shocking. The native camera supports multiple exposure functions, which is unique on mobile phones. You can easily take good portraits in daily life and record beautiful scenes during travel. With the customize function, you can take photos of various personal styles in the same scene through free adjustment. So now you enjoy which I captured some pictures. incredibly intelligent and smooth. The RedMagic's MOR AAI has been super evolved, allowing you to ask it a variety of questions, making it much more convenient than searching on your own. You can even make a video call to the RedMagic user and use AI vision to visualize objects. There are also various other AI features such as AI PowerPoint, AI drawing, and AI image search. Photography also features AI features, and I love this magical world. Even ordinary photos become stunning, even with the ability to remove broken images. The system is also very user-friendly. Sliding open the sidebar allows you to open 3 small windows simultaneously, making it incredibly practical. It's far superior to the original RedMagic OS, indistinguishable from mainstream operating systems with no ads or other issues. It's also highly customizable, requiring ADB uninstallation even when you don't want to use the system. There are also some fun features such as super wallpapers, and overall it's very user-friendly. In terms of specs, it boasts a Snapdragon 8 Extreme, a 5-core air-cooled and water-cooled processor, and a large VC LCD display with direct SoC. Its performance easily surpasses 4.26 million, even surpassing the Mercedes-Benz 6 and 5 scores, exceeding the advertised performance of a production model. Unlike other phones, it doesn't throttle down to 4.6 Hz. The battery and charging have also been upgraded, and the Pro Plus is definitely better. Wireless charging is even more practical. The 7500 Pro Plus boasts 8 hours of battery life after 3 weeks of playback, making it even more durable for daily chatting and watching videos. Game space has also been fully upgraded, supporting PC emulators. Simply transfer games from your computer to your phone and add them. It runs entirely locally, not streaming or cloud gaming. With a true full-screen display and controller, these 5 devices instantly beat Wii handheld games. No waiting required. Play native Android content directly on your phone, which is difficult to handle with new AAA games, hence the streaming mode. IPX offers ultra-low latency, making it just like playing at your computer. The game space also features a variety of other functions. The dual-button, independent touch IC has a 500 MHz touch rate for ultra-fast response, and can be configured for combos and dual tap operations. The sniper rifle in 3 little weeks can be used as a fully automatic rifle, making super resolution and realistic games clearer and smoother. The game resolution on this gaming phone is incredibly high, much clearer than on regular phones, without the blurry, fuzzy feel. There's also somatosensory control, allowing you to reload and fire ammunition even with a shaky hand. Crosshair assistance makes tactical mapping more precise. Auxiliary lines display skill ranges in real time, making fantasy games more predictable. X-Gravity connects to a keyboard, mouse, or controller for playing games with either keyboard, mouse, or controller, and its numerous features are too numerous to list. Of course, there's also the Ultimate Destroyer mode, which maxes out the clock speed and is perfect for PC emulators. Mobile games generally don't require it, but it maximizes the gaming experience, something only gaming phones have. The right side features air and water cooling switches, bypassing the power supply, and more. Frequently used apps can be opened to reply to messages in small windows, making it very convenient. Finally, the temperature and frame rate of mainstream games are incredibly stable and cool. If you were to add a heatsink, who could possibly run ice water over the entire back cover to create a larger heat dissipation surface? In summary, the RedMagic 11 Pro Plus is a thoroughly improved device. The addition of water cooling creates a cool sci-fi effect, and the 80-watt wireless charging can recharge the 7500 battery for 8 hours of continuous gaming for 3 weeks, or even a full day of daily use. The entire device is IPX8 waterproof, so it's drop-proof. The transparent back cover exudes fluid beauty, while air cooling rapidly dissipates heat. IPX8 waterproof, the entire device is drop-proof yet retains a 3.5mm headphone jack, a massive 7000 mAh battery, 120-watt fast charging, and 80-watt wireless charging ensure on-the-go charging. The LCD direct display SoC and VC vapor chamber provides superior heat dissipation, ensuring full-fledged Snapdragon 8 Extreme and Snapdragon 5 native gaming without any issues. A stable 4.6 GHz clock speed with over 4.26 million scores demonstrates exceptional performance and a comprehensive gaming ecosystem. Not only mobile games, but even PC games run smoothly, and the system is AI powered, making it indistinguishable from mainstream games. It's a perfect everyday smartphone or a serious gaming phone, offering incredible value. If you're thinking of upgrading your phone, this is the phone of the year, maybe in gaming scenarios or any other activity.